What, Ekamveer? What did you do in my kitchen?
Well, I made like dominoes that like go this, all the way there.
Oh my goodness, Ekamveer. I was outside for a few minutes and look what you did.
Come over here. No, we're not doing that. Come. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Don't push it. Like that.
Wow. That was cool.
Yeah.
So far down.
That was amazing.
Look at it.
Oh, Kavanveer किड्डी वड्डी zucchini तोड़ के लेके आया काली तोरी.
So heavy.
So heavy.
Yeah.
Okay जी, kids fun with Papa and Mamu. मामू सब तो ज़्यादा इंजॉय करते पे रजनी गई उधर नाक तोड़न पैर तोड़न सी मामू कितना इंजॉय करते कि नूर इतना कर ओ तेरी दी कवनवीर जी घर दी फ्रैश ग्रीन पीस हरे मटर कट के ले आया तोड़ के ले आया और कड्डन लगा फील्स गुड गुड ओके चल सारे खा ना जाई फिर कट ला उन्होंने
White peach. With jet.
कमरे यार किन्ने वधिया मटर ने ना साडे घर दे look at that
It is छोटा. It is fair, Mama.
ये छोटा it's okay
Why is छोटा one?
हाँ छोटे तू खाई जा कवनवीर what are you doing
I am dirty toy. It's for life.
you're playing with a toy
Yeah. Mama, do you want lollipop?
no you don't have it
Yeah. Yes, I did. Surprise!
wow where did you get that
I did yesterday, but no more.
you got it yesterday from Bars and Nobles
Yeah.
who did you go with
Papa Fuzzy.
Papa and Paji
Yeah.
lucky you ਕਮਨਵੀਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਮਨਵੀਰ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਫਰੈਸ਼ ਮਟਰ ਕੱਢੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਚੌਲ ਬਣ ਗਏ ਆ ਮਟਰਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੋ ਕਮਨਵੀਰ ਇਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਟੂ ਈਟ ਨਾਓ
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey Mama, I just built this graph, I think like drawing machine.
I have fun.
And I got it for like, I think last Christmas. I didn't get to use it that much. So, and today I was like very bored, so I thought I might use it today. And these are the papers that come along with it. And this is like a drawing machine. Here, let me show you. The design right here. I made this, and if I just put the pen on like this, you can make different designs. This is my first time using it, so I wanted to go like a little simple. And so I made like a circle. You can also change it like this to make like what angle you want. And then you just spin it and look how it goes.
cool Ekamveer
Thanks. And I will look forward to creating new patterns.
okay
Yeah.
cool
Thank
you're welcome Ekamveer
you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Mama, this is what I've created. So I've created all this. So from the
drawing machine
drawing machine, I made all the lines, and then
you made a pattern you made the lines and then you added the dots
yeah,
in there right
to make it like a little more better.
what did you make Kavanveer
A flower.
flower
Yeah.
nice you are such a good boy
Take it.
Papa got a ticket.
he gave Papa a ticket because he said Papa was walking too fast. Everyone, Kavanveer Singh ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਜੀ Potbelly Sandwich place ਤੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਵਨਵੀਰ?
Yeah.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਏਕਮਵੀਰ ਤੇ ਕਵਨਵੀਰ ਹੁਣ ਆਏ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ Potbelly sandwich ਖਾਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਏਕਮਵੀਰ, how's your sandwich?
I haven't even tasted it yet.
Oh, you're still opening it? Okay. Papa, how's yours? ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ. ਕਵਨਵੀਰ ਦਾ ਸੂਪ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ. ਕਵਨਵੀਰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੂਪ ਲੱਗਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ? Good? Oh.
Now it's time for my first bite.
Good?
Yeah, good. Why is it?
ਜੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੈਂਡਵਿਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ 3 ਚੀਜ਼ ਵੈਜ ਸੈਂਡਵਿਚ.
Good.
Good? You like it?
No.
That's good.